Wow, what an adventure! You and your team battling the open seas, fire-breathing bulls, and terrifying stop-motion skeletons. But it was all worth it for this rather chic golden fleece. Give yourself a pat on the back for being such a great leader. You finished your quest with only minor casualties. And as for your crew, oh dear, they don't look particularly happy. Perhaps they also want to wear their fancy fleece. No? Maybe they're hungry. You've got some barbecued harpy wings left over. Not that, either. Well, they can't be struggling with stress or their mental health because you've been checking in with them the whole voyage, right? Right? You can't expect your crew to always tell you when they're struggling. After all, there's often a stigma, so they may just suffer in silence. Spotting when a team member is struggling can be difficult, but it's vital to keep a happy and healthy crew. Let's look at the signs so you can spot them sooner next time.